Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. Very good morning friends. So let us start today's class. Today's class, our subject is production technology. Friends, I want to share with you one most important point. As we know, present there is a notification for assistant engineering exam conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Okay, so most important point is native marks is there. So based on the competition, based on the level of the competition, based on the negative marks criteria, we have to update ourselves, we have to prepare ourselves, we have to educate ourselves. Okay, so let us start today's class. Today's class in our channel, today's class subject is production technology. Okay, today's class subject is production technology. Okay friends, one small request, if you are not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, so you will be getting most important material which will be helpful for your assistant engineering examination as well as upcoming notification for assistant executive engineering examination also. Okay, thank you friends. So now we will start today's class. Okay, a spheroidal drop of molten metal of radius 2 mm was found to solidify in 10 seconds. A similar drop of radius 4 mm will solidify in 40 seconds. In solidification of metal during casting, compensation for solid contraction is provided by the oversized pattern. Disc-shaped components are cast by semi-centrifugal casting. Lost wax casting method ingredients are dry silica sand, ethyl silicate used in molding. Metal patterns require more draft allowance than wooden patterns. The molten metal is poured from the pouring basin to the gate with the help of a sprue. In cold chamber die casting process, only non-ferrous alloys with high melting point are cast. In the casting of a large pipes by true centrifugal castings, core is of metal. Core prints are provided on patterns to support as well as locate the core in the mold. Contraction allowance is provided on a pattern for contraction in metal on cooling. An ingot delivers molten metal into the mold cavity. A riser feeds the molten metal to the casting in order to compensate for solid shrinkage. The function of core is to improve mold surface, to form internal cavities in the casting, to form a part of a green sand mold. Yeah, now we'll see the continuation. When the molten metal flows into the cavity of a metallic mold by gravity, the method of casting is known as permanent mold casting. The toys and ornaments of non-ferrous alloys are made by slush casting. Risering is not needed when casting grey cast iron. Shrinkage allowance on pattern is provided to compensate for shrinkage when the temperature of solid phase drops from freezing to room temperature. The primary purpose of sprue in a casting mold is to feed molten metal from the pouring basin to the gate. In centrifugal casting, the impurities are uniformly distributed. Sand casting parts have hardened skin and soft interior. plaster mold casting suitable only for non-ferrous metals. Shell mold casting symmetrical and circular shapes only. Investment casting minimum post casting processing. Large and heavy castings are made by green sand molding. Ferrous alloys are usually cast by shell casting. Jolt machine produce uniform ramming about the pattern. The ratio between the pattern shrinkage allowance of steel and cast iron is about 2:1. In hot chamber method of die casting, the melting pot is integral with die casting machine. Okay, so same we will continue now. Yeah, now we'll see the continuation. In a green sand molding process, uniform ramming leads to greater dimensional stability of the casting. Slush casting, hollow castings like lamp shades. Shell molding for turbine blades, dry sand molding for cylinder block, centrifugal casting for rainwater pipe. Centrifugally cast products have fine grain structure with high density. Investment casting for turbine blades, centrifugal casting for cast iron pipes, die casting for carburetor body, drop forging connecting rods, extrusion galvanized iron pipe, shell molding turbine rotors. Light impurities in the molten metal are prevented from reaching the mold cavity by providing a skin bob. Chills are used in molds to achieve directional solidification. Plain carbon steel requires the largest shrinkage allowance while making a pattern for casting. Okay. Disposable patterns are made by polystyrene, hot chamber machine for die casting, muller for mixing, dielectric baker for core making, and sand blasting for cleaning. Aluminium, wax, mercury materials can be used for making patterns. Okay. Yeah, this is the here's the continuation. Directional solidification in castings can be improved by chills and padding. Automobile piston in aluminum alloy for gravity die casting. Engine crankshaft in spheroidal graphite iron for sand casting. Carburetor housing in aluminum alloy for pressure die casting. Cast titanium blades, shell molding. Ingredients dry silica sand and phenol formaldehyde used in molding. Suitable placement of chills employing padding. Methods are used for obtaining directional solidification for riser design. Misrun is a casting defect which occurs due to insufficient fluidity of the molten metal. Pit molding for large jobs. Investment molding for lost wax process. Plaster molding for mold prepared in gypsum. Okay. Jewelry lost wax process. Large bells loam molding. If the melting ratio of a cupola is 10:1, then the coke requirement for 1 ton melt will be 10 tons. Okay. Requirements of an ideal gating system. It should facilitate complete filling of the mold cavity. It should be able to prevent the absorption of air and gases from the surroundings of the molten metal while flowing through it. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. So please support our channel, please like and share our channel, please discuss with your friends regarding the class for going on in our channel. Okay, so my dear friends, so this subject material, it will be definitely helpful for your exam preparation. Even though if you are already prepared for the exam, if you are ready for the exam, this material will be helpful for your revision. Okay, so like that, we are many videos will come. Okay, in coming days many videos related to mechanical engineering subjects we will prepare. So please support our channel friends, please like and share our channel, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, please post in the comments box, I will give you reply. Not only mechanical engineering subject, another paper is there for assistant engineer, conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, that is general studies. In that general studies, if you are having any doubts, if you need any material, if you want any reference textbooks, the name of the textbook, please post in the comments box, I will give you a reply. Okay, so my dear friends, give importance for the both the paper. As I am saying in the each and every class, we can score good marks in mechanical engineering paper, but the difficulty is getting good marks in general studies, because general studies lot of syllabus is there. Okay, state level syllabus is there, central level syllabus is there, current affairs, international relations, latest events, all these things are mounted in the syllabus for general studies paper. Okay, if you are having any doubts regarding general studies as well as mechanical engineering, please post in the comment box, I will give you a reply. Okay, that's all friends for today's class. Thank you very much, thank you for watching.